Welcome back to the motor. The 2027 Tricycle Camper is expected to start at around $25,000 in the US market, depending on configuration, equipment, and final manufacturer pricing. That puts it in a very interesting position for buyers who want something smaller and more affordable than a traditional RV, while still having the basic comforts of a compact camper. Unlike a conventional motorhome, this three-wheel camper combines a compact tricycle-style front cabin with a lightweight living area built directly behind it. The result is a vehicle that looks unusual from almost every angle, but its purpose is actually quite straightforward. Provides simple, flexible camping capability without the size, fuel consumption, and driving complexity of a full-size RV. Since this appears to be a concept-style 2027 model, exact US specifications and pricing would depend on the final production version. From the outside, the design is easily the biggest attention grabber. The front uses a narrow, three-wheel layout with two wheels at the rear and a single front wheel, giving it the visual character of a large enclosed trike. The rounded camper section sits over the cabin and creates a surprisingly substantial amount of usable space for such a compact vehicle. The brown exterior shown here gives it a classic recreational look, while the horizontal body panels, compact windows, exterior vents, and roof-mounted lighting make it feel more like a miniature RV than a conventional three-wheeler. The front design is simple but distinctive. You get round headlights, a compact windshield, a central front grille area, and a relatively upright driving position. It doesn't have the aggressive styling you see on modern SUVs or pickup trucks, and that's actually part of its appeal. This is designed around practicality and compact travel rather than speed or performance. The roof rack and exterior lighting also add some useful functionality, although owners would want to check the actual weight limits before carrying equipment up top. Step inside and the focus becomes much more obvious. The interior is designed to make the most of a very limited footprint. You can expect a compact sleeping area, basic seating, storage compartments, lighting, and a small camping-oriented setup rather than the full kitchen, bathroom, and lounge arrangement you would find in a large motorhome. For one or two people, that can actually be a very practical compromise. The biggest advantage here is simplicity. There is less space to clean, fewer systems to maintain, and less overall weight to move around. The window should also help make the cabin feel more open during the day, while the compact layout keeps everything within easy reach. The downside is equally obvious. Taller passengers may find the available headroom and sleeping space restrictive, and longer trips with several occupants could become uncomfortable fairly quickly. Behind the wheel, the Tricycle Camper would feel completely different from a normal car. The narrow body should make it easy to maneuver through smaller roads and tight parking areas, but drivers would need some time to become comfortable with the three-wheel configuration and the taller camper body. It isn't the kind of vehicle you buy because you want sporty handling. You buy it because you want an easygoing way to travel and camp. Performance is likely to be modest, and that's perfectly acceptable for this type of vehicle. A small, efficient powertrain would make more sense here than a large engine. The priorities are low running costs, manageable acceleration, reasonable highway cruising, and enough torque to handle the added camper weight. On American highways, however, buyers should keep expectations realistic. A compact three-wheel camper may feel much more comfortable on secondary roads and scenic routes than on fast-moving interstate traffic, especially in strong crosswinds. Technology should also be relatively straightforward. Depending on the final US specification, features such as a digital instrument display, backup camera, USB charging, Bluetooth connectivity, LED lighting, and a modern infotainment system would make the most sense. For a camper, practical technology is more important than having a huge touchscreen.